Religions. Deep down, they're all the same, right? Essentially, they're all just about being nice to each other, right? Wrong. There are significant differences between and even within religions, and there's a lot more to religion than simple rules about what's right and wrong. Students of religion are not required to deny differences between their own traditions and others in order to be respectful. In fact, some of the most interesting discussions come out of examining these differences. So, how can we compare and analyse these religions which are so very different? Enter the 9 aspects of religion. Using these aspects, we can categorise the parts of any religious tradition and then compare the parts. In everyday talk, they're the puzzle pieces that make up any religion. For those looking for the fancy terms, the aspects are the constituent elements of any religious tradition. An easy way to think of it is like a football club. Every football club is different, but they all have certain aspects that are similar. Stadiums, fans, players, support staff, songs, etc. These could be considered the aspects of football clubs, and by comparing these we might be able to understand the differences between clubs, and we'd also learn about the clubs in far greater depth. So, what are these aspects of religion? We start with beliefs, the cornerstone of any tradition. These beliefs are both informed by and expressed in the other 8. Sacred stories, spaces, places, times and artifacts, texts, rituals, symbols, social structures, ethics, and spiritual experiences. You can see how much would be left out if we stuck with our religion is just about being nice to each other idea. Importantly, the aspects are not independent of each other. One may help form another or be expressed in a different one. For example, a ritual like Mass for Catholics includes the readings of texts from Scripture and leads to a spiritual experience for the adherent. The 9 aspects, otherwise known as the typology of religion, is a fundamental basic of learning about different religions. To learn about each of the aspects, watch the other videos in this series.